Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are filming my August Medusa's makeup video. And shout out to Medusa's makeup for always arriving promptly and on time at the beginning of the month. Gotta love them for that. Some of the other subscriptions just don't have it together like they do, so very excited about that. Before we get started, go ahead and like this video, hit the subscribe button so you can see all my future uploads, and of course leave me any comments or questions you have down below. Check out Amandaphenomenon.com, linked in the description box below, because I've been posting a ton of blog posts recently, so check that out. And without further ado, let's get cracking on what came in this month's box or bag. So per usual, lately the past few months they've been including this pamphlet, which promptly just goes in my recycling bin because I don't need it. I'm already aware of their products. And then the air conditioner just came on, so I'm so sorry if that's creating a noise in the background, but it's August. What are you gonna do? The other piece of paper in the box is the happy birthday little flyer that tells us what's in the box. It is their birthday box. They are celebrating 6 years of the beauty subscription box, so that's pretty cool. And it looks like we are getting 5 premium products valued at $72.99 with 1 bonus item. So let's go ahead and get started. Once again, we have a little baggie. I don't need to harp on this again. I hate this baggie. I wish they would just send the products loose in the mailer, because how many bags do I need? And actually stuck to the back of the baggie here, it looks like they have sent us some stickers. I don't think that is the bonus item, so this is just a little extra. That's kind of fun, sort of cute. So let's open the bag, and the first item to pop out is the Baked Eyeshadow in Wild One. So let me get the plastic off this, then we can swatch it. So here is a look at Wild One. It's like a lavender, really pretty. I'm not sure how exactly this is gonna look on me, since this color tends to make me look very yellow, but let's go ahead and swatch it. Okay. Oh wow. It's lighter than I was expecting. I thought it would be more purpley, but it leans on the sheerer, more iridescent side, which actually looks really, really beautiful. I think that would actually really look pretty on top of a lip color too. So I can't wait to try that out for you guys. I'm really curious how that's gonna look on my particular skin, because lavenders usually make me look very sickly, but it's very pretty in the packaging. Okay, the next item we have looks like it's going to be a lip balm, but let me get it out of the packaging. And it is. It's a Medusa's Makeup Strawberry Vegan Lip Balm. So that's cool. Smells super strawberry. I'm not going to swatch this since there's no color to it. I'm just going to tuck it away in my little lip balm container for when I need to pull out a new one. So always happy to get a lip balm because I know I will use it. And it is completely slipping my mind to tell you these values. The Wild One eyeshadow is $14 and the lip balm is $10, which that feels kind of overpriced to me, but came in the bag. I'm not paying $10 for it, so I'm not mad about it. The next item is this brush. This is a $12 value. So let's get this brush out of the plastic and take a look at this crystally handle. Look at that. That's so pretty. So pretty. And then we have a nice ferrule leading into the brush. It's very soft. They're calling this a blush brush, which I think could definitely do the job, or it could honestly even be powder or bronzer. I think this brush could serve a plethora of purposes, but it's very, very soft. It feels really nice and it's very pretty, so happy to get this. I have been trying not to buy a ton of brushes because I'm super lazy, and the more brushes I have, the more I'll just let the ones that I have sit dirty and not wash them, but it is so pretty and I'm really happy to have it. Next we have these eyelashes. Let's take a look. These are Medusa's Makeup Eyelashes, $10. I'm not gonna lie, this is super janky, thin, like dollar store packaging. Not impressed. And it does come with a little glue, so that's nice. But even the lashes aren't that great. I'm not wowed by this. I mean, I'll probably keep them and try them, but like they have such a curl to them. Like it looks very, very artificial, the level of curl these have on them. So I'm not, you know what, I'm probably gonna just give these away. I'm not super wowed by it. I think I'd rather give these particular lashes away to someone who maybe would use them for funsies, because I don't see these being a pair of lashes I'll actually wear out. And we've gotten lashes from them before. They were way nicer than this. Hold on, let me grab them. Yeah, we've gotten lashes in this really nice, like plastic, but like crystally type packaging. The lashes look way nicer in this packaging too. These just look like really nice lashes, whereas these look really, really cheap and bad. So I don't know. That was the sound of someone ringing my doorbell. So yeah, I don't know what's going on because the quality here is completely worlds apart. But I'm just gonna give these away to someone who will probably use them just to like play makeup or practice looks or something, because these are way nicer. These are the ones you would wear out, not these. The next item in the box is the Medusa's Makeup Witchy Liner, and it is an all-in-one waterproof wing liner stamp and eyeliner pen. So let's take a look at this. Let me get it out of the box. And on the card it says this is a $22 value. So it's kind of like the one I just got, where it's got the pen on one end and a stamp on the other. This stamp is more uniform in shape so that you can actually use the same stamp for both eyes, whereas the one that I'd gotten from the other company that sent me it for review, theirs had two different pens for two different wings because the wings were a little more curved. So that's kind of cool. Makes it more versatile, makes it so it's one less thing you have to travel with if you are taking it with you on the road to somewhere. So that's pretty cool. I'm always happy to get a black eyeliner. I will use a black eyeliner. The last item we actually have listed on the card is this Medusa's Ice Cream Footies. And it says it's a $4.99 value. So let me open this up and see what this even is, because I have no idea. I guess they're literally like just little toe socks for mules or something. I don't know. This is kind of strange. Could have lived my life without this. Not gonna lie. Little odd. But there's more in the bag, so let me keep digging. We got another Cocoa Betty wipe. I've reviewed these before. I am happy to get them for free, but I would not purchase these. I don't think they are great, honestly. They leave such an oil slick on your face. And there's another item in here even. So these are not on the card at all, so that's kind of cool. Intense Lip and Cheek Highlighting Cream from it's called Cherry Pop. It's from Jelly Pong Pong. So let's open this up and take a look. Ooh. Now I will say it looks dried up AF in the tube, but maybe that's just the consistency of the product. Let me get the plastic off and we can take a look. Okay, plastic off. I don't know if you'll be able to see that, all that empty space in the tube. I don't know if that's how it's intended to be or not, but I'm going to pull it out. We can swatch it. Okay, having swatched it, I do think it's intended to be a thicker product like that, but that's beautiful. It looks gorgeous on the hand, and I actually think I could probably wear this on my cheeks, which is nice since it's got more of a blush tone to it. Usually when things are highlighters but they're really golden or peachy, if they don't have enough of that color, I can't wing it as a blush and it'll just look like a weird stripe on my cheek. But I definitely could try that. And I could see that being pretty on the lips too, but not as comfortable on the lips as it will be on the cheek. So that's pretty cool. Excited to try that too. And that is everything that came in this month's bag. So I did find the lashes a little cheap. Not a fan, and I don't think this is a $10 value. otherwise I do like everything, and I think this was an exciting box. Oh, and these socks are kind of weird. I don't get those. But of the things that were actually on the card, well, that wasn't on the card. I'm excited for this, and I'll definitely use this, and I love this little brush. It's so cute. So I'm pretty happy with this. Since we got a couple extra things to throw in there, I'm going to let that offset the cheapness of these lashes. I'm going to let this still sit at an A. So if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comments and questions down below. You can hit the subscribe button if you'd like to stick around for a while. If you got this box, let me know what your opinions on it are, because it's interesting. And I'll talk to you all later. Bye!